So we were like, we need a place to gather and connect, and like all people come, like if you're in this coaching program, you're welcome. If you use this bookkeeping service, you're welcome. If you use the other one, you're not welcome. I'm just joking.
Let's talk some CleanCon. We had one guy, John Batchers, in my personal chat, which said, what is CleanCon? So give us a little breakdown. We got V2 coming up. We got round 2. What is CleanCon? What do you guys got going on? There's a whole bunch of questions about what have you learned? What have you applied? Blah, blah, blah. We'll get to some of that, but what are we looking forward to here?
Okay, so those of you who didn't hear our first couple of podcasts or wherever we were. So CleanCon, Molly is a cleaning service owner in Arizona, Green Sweep.
New Mexico.
Shoot, they're close. Does that count?
No,
I'm rubbing off on you. I'm going TCF. I'm naming banks. You're naming I started.
This is why it's a happy hour.
In the desert somewhere.
And you're giving me a hard time for not knowing what a freaking Aggie is? Like, come on, bro.
That was my 95% subconscious paying you back for your Aggie comment.
Okay.
So, me and Molly and Drew have always been really good friends in the industry. We got together at a huge convention. We were kind of upset with the residential cleaning industry. I mean, ISSA does stuff, but it's mainly commercial. And then all the other programs that we were allowed to gather at are big coaching programs that are like, it's fine.
Well,
I mean,
I've used for everybody. They're for
right. Yeah, exactly. So we were like, we need a place to gather and connect, and like all people come, like if you're in this coaching program, you're welcome. If you use this bookkeeping service, you're welcome. If you use the other one, you're not welcome. I'm just joking. But like for everybody together and come together, like I know it sounded, I think I call it my utopia of like, we can all be in industry together and learn from each other and come from all different facets of coaching and vendors or products or teams or solos or New Mexico or Arizona, either way. But we needed a place to gather and connect and learn from each other, because there's no one way to run a cleaning service. And the best knowledge you will ever get is in the hallways and the bathrooms and those parties, the connections. And then also to offer some education that's different, that's a little bit outside the box. That's not like you have to do this and you have to do that. Like to breed the industry into thinking for themselves, to be innovative, and for them to share their ideas with the rest of the industry. We just didn't have it. So I was like, oh, everybody was talking about it. Everybody wanted it. And then I looked at Molly one day and it just happened. And 3 months later, we had our first CleanCon, and it was.
That sounds like when I talk about having my first child. I'm like, I looked at Marty one day, and then
that's what it was.
Immaculate conference conception.
We had a baby, and his name was CleanCon.
I believe.
And the most awkward thing is we have one dad and two moms. It's fine.
I don't find that awkward.
No. Keep pushing the limits. Hey, home service heroes. Thank you guys so much for tuning into our home service happy hour content today. I sure hope you learned a little something, and I sure as heck hope that it was entertaining. If you did find it fun and entertaining, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel for more cool, fun, entertaining business content. And speaking of which, stay tuned. There's a little more here and a little more right here. Check it out.